Welcome to Fxtriangle. This video tutorial will give you a walkthrough about how to apply for a live trading account for the purpose of self-trading or managed trading. You have to navigate to the brokers page by clicking on the FX Trading drop-down menu. Here you will find a list of trusted brokers that work with us. Today I will be applying a live trading account with Fusion Markets. Here in this page, you will find two types of options: self-traded account and managed accounts. If you select self-traded account, this will be traded by yourself and you will get rebates, in case you opt for a managed accounts. We will trade for you and you need to pay us a performance fee and the minimum funding required is $10,000. Now I am clicking on the self-trading account sign up button. This will take me to the broker's registration page. By filling small details and uploading few documents, we can easily get started. The managed account application is also same. We click on the sign up button and we'll fill our registration details and upload the documents. Once approved, we'll fund with the required amount and sign bill PA. That's it, we will start trading for you. Thank you.